Today we are out at our Jersey Island AFRI grant rice mitigation culture site, and we are seeing some really good rice growth in here. We're about 2 months into the day where we transplanted the rice from our nursery field right next door behind us to the new field here. The growth has been pretty steady throughout this time, even though we've had some very wild moderations or changes in the different seasonal weather. For a summer, it's actually pretty cool today. The standard for the rice is supposed to be at 90 degrees for the water temperature. I don't think we're going to see that, although yesterday we were up in 100, and so yesterday we probably saw at least 90 degrees in the water, so hopefully the water's still holding some of that heat within it. We are a couple of weeks behind because of our problems in the beginning of getting everything to grow, so we probably won't see any kind of ready time to actually take the water out of the pond for another 3 to 4 weeks yet, and that will leave us into the beginning of October when we actually might be able to harvest. In the meantime, we're having the students do all kinds of testing out here right now. We are going to do testings for air, for soil, and for water. Today is a water testing day, so we just simply pulled water out, and we'll later on check it for ammonia, sulfate, nitrates, nitrogen, and some other testing that we do. And then on the next Wednesday, we will come back out and do an air sample again and do gas samples. Those samples are sent to UC Davis to do a whole line of testing on to see how it's going. But everything's pretty much looking good finally after months of trying to get this thing to work out. We are getting some nice looks in our fields. We're not as good as what Twitchell Island looks like, but this is actually great compared to what we thought we were going to get. So hopefully we'll have more of an update in the next couple of months.